Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, April the 3rd, and it's a little after 8:30. I expect Kevin will come down in a while. The Beezer is theoretically finished and ready for a test ride. Shifts okay on the bench, on the left, and starts and runs great, sounds good. So we'll have Kevin do a test ride on this and make sure that it's ready to be released. Still waiting on the seat on the Green Norton. Should be here, theoretically, pretty quick. The 441 still awaits. Good news on the yellow Triumph. We located the speedometer. It was tied up in British Customs. They stopped it about February 26th. They say they told the recipient, but there's no record that they did. And so they've just been sitting on it ever since. We finally, actually we have not yet broken it free. The recipient on the other end is, making as much noise as he can. And I made as much noise as I can from this end, but it's hard to get through to the right person who can unlock the key. So the returned speedometer that was defective is in customs, but the manufacturer has decided to go ahead and send out the replacement. So that should be shipped momentarily. They say they don't stock, they have to rebuild it, but they'll ship it out. And so let's give it another week or two. In the meantime, I'll get it up on the lift and take a look at that center stand right after I install the clutch cable on this guy, which is theoretically, once again, the last thing to do. So I'm going to put a clutch cable on it. I have a brand new Van Hill clutch cable here, and if it's the right length, as I hope it will be, we'll put it on, and then I will adjust the clutch push throwout rod and put oil in the primary, and then this one will be ready for a test ride if we can get up enough courage to ride it. With the new handlebars on it, it's not as intimidating as the old clip-ons. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, it's always fun telling you the plans for the day and then seeing what really happens. So that's the plans for the day. I've already warmed it up, so this is not a cold start. Put the new clutch cable in. Everything feels good, feels and fondles good. And we'll see if we can do a test ride on this guy today. I'll show you how an Alton electric starter works. It's kind of cool. Is that not the coolest thing in the world? Seriously. I mean, it's a chunk of change. But oh, that is so nice.